Standard 6, Subject English, Unit 4.8, An Autumn Greeting, George Cooper. A little information about our poet George Cooper. George Cooper, 1840-1927, was born in New York City. He began writing as a child and by the age of 16 was publishing poems in leading magazines. He studied law and practiced for several years, but eventually decided to pursue a career as a writer. He wrote a number of hymns and much of his work was targeted at children. Stephen Foster set many of George's lyrics to music. The best known is probably Sweet Genevieve. Let us read and understand this poem, An Autumn Greeting, George Cooper. Come, little leaves, said the wind one day, come over the meadows with me and play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, summer is gone and the days grow cold. Soon as the leaves heard the wind's loud call, down they came fluttering one and all. Over the meadows they danced and flew, singing the soft little songs they knew. Dancing and flying the little leaves went, winter had called them and they were content. Soon fast asleep in their earthy beds, the snow laid a soft mantle over their heads. In the first stanza, the poet George Cooper tells us that one day the wind tells the little leaves to come over the meadows with it and play. The wind asks the leaves to put on their dresses of red and gold. You see the picture here of the leaves, they are all red and gold in color. We know that in winter some of the trees they shed their leaves. The leaves turn red and yellow and the leaves fall in winter. So the wind asks the leaves to put on their dresses of red and gold. Summer has gone and the days are growing cold. That is, it is winter now. In the second stanza, as soon as the leaves hear the wind's loud call, all of them came fluttering down. They danced and flew over the meadows, singing the soft little songs that they knew. In the third stanza, the little leaves went dancing and flying. Winter had called them and they were content. They were happy. They lay down in their beds of mud and were soon fast asleep. Soon fast asleep in their earthy beds. Earthy beds is beds of mud. So they lay down in their beds of mud and were soon fast asleep. The snow laid a soft mantle over their heads. The meaning of mantle is a layer of something that covers a surface. So the snow laid a soft layer over their heads. Let us discuss the questions and answers. What did the wind tell the leaves? The wind told the leaves that summer had gone and the days were growing cold. The leaves should put on their dresses of red and gold and come over the meadows with it and play. What did the leaves do when they heard the wind's call? When the leaves heard the wind's call, they all came fluttering down. Then they danced and flew over the meadows, singing soft little songs. Soon they were fast asleep on the ground. What happened to the leaves finally? The leaves finally lay on the ground. A layer of snow covered them.